Hello, this is episode 2 of the main menu. The other recording was deleted accidentally, so this is the new one. There's two new variables back 1, no, back only, and back 2. I don't know where is back 1. Actually, where is back 1? Nah, let's not worry about that now. Now, in context, I have explained that some stuff weird in Scratch. But more weird is when you broadcast delete all from a clone, it doesn't delete that clone. Like, why? Why does Scratch have that installation? Like, why now? Specifically, now we have a button that works on itself now. This is the new piece of code. This checks if the mouse is touching the sprite, then it mouses, then it does the mouse down, then if it contains one contains back, that means it's going to go back to the main menu. We have changed this to main menu, broadcasted it with the green flag. Main menu setup. Then in setup there is obviously delete all, and obviously we need to also put this here. Then screen setup buttons. Screen does all of this. I already explained it, but setup buttons has authorized the stuff that each button is supposed to do. And for play button, it's going to do nothing because you will not go to the screen. Nothing because there's not supposed to be a screen there. And now we go back to here. If it sends us back, it's going to go back to main menu. Then it set up if L in the else, that means it hasn't turned into a back yet. It's going to set up screen what, and then it's going to come up here and then do this. What type equal, equals to nothing. That means it's obviously a play button. You are going to have to replace all the green flags with broadcasts and then put a broadcast here. I haven't done that because I don't have any game made here. But it would be cool if I just made a small game, but would be a little time consuming. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. As in that back thing, yes, I have that back costume here. And it also goes to the corner so it can't disturb the screen or look weird. And also turns into what type. And wait a second, I forgot something. You'll have to stamp this costume, and also this costume has to go to 0, 0 to stamp in the middle of the screen. Perfect. All done. If it all works correctly, we will see a very nice main menu. Yes, looking good. This should stop everything. This should serve the menu. No. Wait, what is this? Okay. That's that's kind of bad. Okay, now specifically because we used stamp to do this, we actually hadn't gotten a way to hide this. So might as well code that up. Okay. Now, now to, now to code this part of the code, we'll have to broadcast. Delete all. Now you might think, well, wait a second, that actually works. Okay, change your plans. Put new message. Delete all except the sprite. Oh god, that's frustrating. This looks like this because I am using Scratch add-ons. Yes, that's why. Delete all except this sprite. Now, you might think, wait a second, why, isn't this supposed to delete it to? Yes, it is supposed to do that, but if not, I contains, no, one contains back, that means the constant it's supposed to switch to. So technically, it should work. Yes, no buttons in sight, and this control. Wait a second, did I did it. I did it. And I completely forgot to change this to this. So dumb. Perfect if it works. Info perfect. Controls perfect. Now, for last finishing touch, we'll have to edit it to see if it's run without screen refresh. Okay, it's run without screen refresh. So, congrats. Did you really think it was the end of the series? No, it is not even starting to end. Now, what we need to do is to replace this with clones because if you have a lot of sprites, you wouldn't just put hide in all of them individually, right? That's time consuming. Now, for this, we need a new MyBlock. Actually, two new MyBlocks. Button, run without screen refresh. No, not run without screen refresh. Button, put this under the button. Button, if else equals to ID, for this part only, ID equals to 1. That means it's a button. If else, in the other hand, if it's else, we are going to easily delete this clone. Or if it's nothing, it's gonna delete it itself. So yeah, the same exact thing. Now, in perhaps sake, yeah, I'll have to make another one of these to make to put it as put it as do absolutely nothing. Cool, huh? Not cool, obviously. But Why would we make it do nothing? See, it's an if else. That means it's not supposed to delete itself or it's supposed to exist. So yeah, it's pretty much the best way. Now, we'll also have to edit this. Yes, we'll have to edit this. And equals to id equals to 1. This will allow to understand between buttons and screens. That's very important. You know what? Let's make another one. That's for only the this lamps. Okay. Now put everything except ID3. Yes, another ID in the trash. This ID is pretty important. This is going to be in this one, obviously. Now, first things first, we need to make a new my block. Ooh, we are making a lot of my blocks. And we need to upgrade this my block also. Where is that my block? Okay, here it's located. Now, put the ID of 1. Yes, ID of 1 is pretty cool, right? No, it isn't, obviously. Now, we need a new my block. Make a new my block. Screen clone run without screen refresh. Now, screen clone is going to be located after every change of costume that's supposed to print. Now, also we need another one ID. All of these IDs to be 1 1 1. Yes, 1 1 1. That's the worst password, by the way. 2 wait no, 3 3 3. All of those are going to be buttons then. 2 2 2. Perfect. Now we'll need to get back that ID. Put it here. Wait, did I? No, I did it again. I forgot to delete all of this garbage. Yes, I'm calling my own code garbage. That was just for convenience. Now we'll have changed code some stuff. Now, after we have that, we put this. Now, it looks the exact same, right? No, that is because of one teeny tiny thing that we have forgotten about. How is this still sewing? We almost forgot to, erase all. Now, perfect. Now, what is wrong with it? We see the things wrong here. We haven't specified for what type is this for. Now put it. If ID equals to 1, now we need another one, another block. Now this one is going to contain the name, rotate, run without screen, no, because that's going to continue making it rotate and continue it forever loop, but it's going to take our whole frame rate out of the computer. Yes, it's a really sad thing to see. Rearranging the blocks. Okay, looks good, right? Okay, time for testing. Touch, 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 touch. Touch, 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 touch. Oh, yeah, I forgot that was clean. Okay, play. Oh, see. Wait, I just thought I pressed info. And I said, wait, what? Did I delete it? No, I did not. Perfect. Looks wait, is it the sprite? That's the question. Yes, it is. Perfect. We have made a perfect thing. Yes, perfect. Now, because they're being cloned, they're going to obviously come in front of everything else that is being cloned. So, this is episode 2, and the series is over. Just a quick reminder to add a broadcast the game start game of your game and replace all the green flags except the one in this one as start game. Without that, we are done, and bye bye. Have a great time. And yes, I am awake for a really long time. So, bye. Goodbye, everyone who watches this video. And also, if you like this, subscribe and bye.